Design Me's Quickie Me collection is for all those who are seeking balance. Balance on the scalp, that is. These are our dry shampoos. We have a dark, a light, and a very innovative dry shampoo foam. These are meant for clients who want to prolong their style, extend the look of their blow dry, or simply those that just don't have enough time. The aroma is a fresh and fruity fragrance. It's very clean with hints of blackcurrant and lychee. The spray for the Quickie Me Light is for those that have blonde hair, levels 8 and above. You just simply apply to the hair and let the rice starch do the work. This is going to absorb the oils and leave a really clean feeling. That's the whole point of our dry shampoo collection. We want the hair to feel clean. Both the light and the dark leave that clean feeling. This has slight pigmentation that won't leave any white cast. Again, it has the rice starch, so it will absorb those oils and leave that clean, fresh feeling. Either if you have light tones or dark tones, you're gonna be set with either of our dry shampoo sprays if you want the matte finish. Our Quickie Me dry shampoo foam is super duper in curly hair, but for really anybody who wants to really break down what makes the hair feel dirty. It has a satin look to it, so it's not gonna have that matte finish that's found in the sprays. This is a foam that cleanses the hair, completely leaves no residue behind. This is my favorite one. You put it into your hand, apply it to the hair, and it disappears right before your eyes, leaving you that clean, fresh feeling. You're gonna love this one.